All right, I should have, let me move this back. Hopefully my mic is working. I should have started before I pulled it apart, but not a big deal. This bumper was hanging down and I hated it. Here's the support piece. It's all in pieces. We still got to pull this off. Got some bolts here. Well, I got a new one right here. See it? So what I'm going to do, I've got to pull this piece. Oh yeah. Just a lot of nuts and bolts and screws. Oh, now the whole bumper's coming off here. Let's see. Where? There you go. That piece. This bracket was added. Not even, I got to take that off, but this is already, some of it's been replaced because some of it's Allen, or not Allen, some of it's just screws, some of it's bolts. So much of it's in pieces. All right. I gotta go find an Allen wrench. All right, got star bits. And this is what's left. One more to get down here. All right. That'll sit back there. I still got to get this. Let's see, what size is that sucker? What the heck? This bracket was added because it was all broken pieces. People might think I done it. The only thing, let's see. Yeah, it's already threaded. Look at that. Actually, those bolts, let me see. Those bolts I just used actually for this back piece. But that's all right. I'll just get some others. Now, it would help if I used the right one. I'd have to go find it. I can tighten it up later. I've got to run and get a air dryer, change that out. So I'll take one of these and just go get 2 new ones. So don't think, unless these will work. Oh, that might work. Have to use a couple washers. Oh, it does have the lower air dam. I didn't know it had that. Well, that's good. All right, I got to take these screws. Maybe not. Yeah, these 3 is right here, and they don't want to come out. So you know what that means? Grinder. All right, got that. I'm gonna have to pick up some screws, but I've got some to match up. Should probably poke these off here. Washers. I don't know what that's for, but don't line up with nothing. I need to get that out of there. You know, back to the cutting off. All right, let's see here. I'll just go. And get up, get up. There we go. Get that lined up with my drill. Just making sure. Oh, let's see. These go underneath. Let's see. Got these little push pins here. I thought there was two. It was on the back side. Yeah, there's the little push clip. Another one goes here. Got the 3 I had to cut off. I'll need to get some of those, and then that'll get this lined up better. I don't think there's a screw hole for that, so it's not necessary. I don't think. This goes here. There should be 4 of them. Here and here. These, I just need some washers. I may just pick some up. I don't know. But I've got to go get my air dryer. But it's basically on there. There, it looks a whole lot better. I think maybe the hood. Maybe the hood. No. They make a white bumper to match the truck, and this lower piece, the bottom there, is chrome like the grill, like a grill extension. I think that would look a whole lot better. But for now, yeah, this will come in a little bit once I get them screws in. All right, run to town. I'll be back. Work on that air dryer. Until then, thanks for watching.